In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward a chat message in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started with Teams, knowing how to efficiently share information is crucial in a collaborative environment. Let's dive into the process and make sure you become comfortable with this essential feature. First, go ahead and open your Microsoft Teams application. If you're using the desktop version, double-click the Teams icon on your desktop or find it in your list of programs. For those using the web-based version, simply navigate to teams.microsoft.com and sign in with your credentials. Once you have Teams open, you'll want to head over to the Chat section. You can find this option on the left-hand sidebar. It's the icon that looks like a speech bubble. Clicking here will bring you to a list of all your current chat conversations. Now, scroll through your chat list until you find the conversation that contains the message you want to forward. Choose the appropriate chat, and click to open the conversation. You'll see a stream of messages between you and your chat partner, as well as any important files or links you've shared. With the specific conversation open, locate the message you wish to forward. To the right of this message, you should see a small icon that looks like 3 vertical dots. When you hover over the message, this icon becomes visible. Click on it, and a menu of options will appear. From this menu, you need to select the Copy option. This action copies the chosen message to your clipboard, allowing you to paste it elsewhere. Make sure you use this feature to share information responsibly, preserving any confidentiality if required. Once copied, navigate back to your Chat or Teams tabs, depending on where you would like to paste and send this message. You might want to share it in an ongoing chat with a colleague or perhaps with a group you're collaborating with in one of your Teams channels. If you know where you want to forward the message, click on the appropriate chat or channel to open it. In the message box at the bottom, which looks like a field where you type any new message, right-click and select Paste, or simply use the shortcut Ctrl-V on your keyboard if you're on a Windows machine, or Command-V if you're on a Mac. You'll see the copied message appear in the text box. Before sending it, double-check the content just to ensure everything looks exactly as you want it to appear, avoiding any potential errors or miscommunications. When you're ready and everything seems in order, hit Enter on your keyboard, or click the Send icon next to the message input field. That's it. You've successfully forwarded a message in Microsoft Teams. This straightforward process is incredibly helpful for sharing information quickly and effectively, keeping your team informed and on track. Thanks for joining me today, and happy messaging!